This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an active Hostinger account, hosting plan, and the database name and credentials you want to use. Once logged into hPanel, go straight to the databases area. This saves time versus hunting menus. You create a new MySQL database by clicking Add New, typing the name, and assigning a user. Make sure to use a strong password. This prevents unauthorized access and avoids having to reset credentials later. Next, you finish the creation flow and configure access. After creating the DB, either create a new DB user or assign an existing one, then set appropriate permissions. Typically select Insert, Update, Delete for apps. Once permissions are set, note the DB host, usually localhost, port, username, and password. You will need these for connection strings. If you plan remote access, enable it in hPanel and whitelist your IP. Otherwise, keep remote disabled for security. To finish, validate the database by connecting with phpMyAdmin or your application using the credentials you recorded. Test a simple query to confirm rights. Next, import your schema or run migrations so the structure is ready. If something goes wrong, first recheck username, password, database name, and host. Make sure your IP is whitelisted for remote connections and the port is correct. If permission errors persist, adjust user privileges in hPanel and retry the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.